Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Squad. बज गए हैं 9, so it's time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. This session is going to be under 10 minutes and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so and do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day जब ये session आए तो आपके पास notification पहुंच जाए and आप भी part बन जाओ इस session का. With that being said, let's start the session and let's discuss the first word for today. First word जो हम आज discuss करने वाले हैं which is attribute. Attribute means to believe that something was caused or done by somebody or something. So basically जब आप believe करते हो कि कोई चीज़ हुई है और वो किसी reason की वजह से हुई है, किसी जने की वजह से हुई है, किसी person की वजह से हुई है, किसी thing की वजह से हुई है. So whatever has happened, good or bad, you believe that there is someone else which is responsible to it for it. Okay? Here the sentence is Virat Kohli attributes his success to hard work. So basically अपनी सक्सेस का क्रेडिट विराट कोहली देते हैं जो हार्ड वर्क उन्होंने किया है. सो बेसिकली whatever achievement or whatever success he has achieved in life, it's all because of the hard work he has done. Synonyms here are ascribe, credit, blame, impute, link, refer, and assign. Here ascribe is a different word and we'll star mark it so that you guys pay extra attention on this. Antonym here is blemish or flaw. Next word for us is vehement. Vehement is a very different word. You might not see it in everyday life, but it's a very different and unique word. So therefore it is here. Okay, it means showing very strong, often negative feelings, especially anger. So if you show a very strong angry feeling towards somebody, that means you're vehementing it or you're vehemently doing it. So you're angrily doing it. Here, coming to the sentence, we have despite vehement pleas for a penalty, referee Mr. Hori was unmoved. So even if when they asked for a penalty, a plea penalty there, and they plead for it, but the referee was unmoved. Here you could see one thing about it. Here you should notice also. See, we are using despite. So there is no off. We do not use off with despite. But अगर यहाँ पर आपका in spite होता, in spite के केस में we use off, in spite of, they go together. But in case of despite we do not use off. Okay, synonyms पे आ जाते हैं. Synonym है आपका vigorously, actively, energetically, zealously, spritedly, and strenuously. And antonyms here are mild, unempathetic, and weak. Next word for us is scanty. Scanty means too small in size or amount. So कुछ चीज आपकी बहुत कम, amount उसका बहुत कम है, then it is scanty. So let's say if you have only few rice particles left, so you have scanty rice left now. Okay, the amount is very less. Here, the sentence says we didn't learn much from the scanty information they gave us. So हम ज़्यादा कुछ learn नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें बहुत कम information provide करी थी. So because आपके पास कम information थी, you could not learn more. Here also you could see the image represents the same thing. The person's battery is full right in the morning, right? Therefore we try to bring this session early in the morning so that when your energy is full, you could gain lots. But by the end of the day, your energy levels decrease or the amount here decreases. Synonyms are sparse, scarce, merge. Then you have poor, skimpy, and lacking. And antonyms are adequate, sufficient, and copious. Here, last one is important and I'll star mark that. Next word for us is enervation. Enervation means a feeling of being drained of energy or vitality, or you could say fatigue. So somebody is drained of energy or somebody is fatigued. Fatigue means कोई जना थका हुआ है आपका. The sentence is the rain has enervated the rock wall for so many years that it is now just a few pebbles. So it has drained the energy of the wall so much that now only few pebbles are left. Synonyms here are undermine, to weaken, to exhaust, to drain, to deaden, to petrify. Petrify is a different word, we'll star mark it. Dampen and to devitalize. And antonyms here is stimulate, energize, invigorate, means you're increasing the energy here. Next word for us is mystic. Mystic means the quality of having hidden or secret characteristics that makes somebody something seem interesting or attractive. So somebody has some secret talent, secret characteristics hidden. Then it makes them very interesting to other people. So they have a mystic, they have a mystic about them. They have a mystic secret about them. The sentence here says, in this book, they have captured the magic and mystic of bone fishing. Then here the synonyms are appeal, charm, attractiveness, romance, glamour, and aroma. And the antonyms here are prosaic and your normal. Prosaic here is a different word, and we'll sum up that. Lastly, we come to the word for the day, which is vital. I hope all of you could tell me the meaning of this word in the comment section. Let's see how many of you guys respond. With that, we'll end the session here. Make sure to hit the like button if you did like this session, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that, we'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.